All right, you guys. So I seen a couple of people couldn't find the Kite mobile application for free on the Google Play Store. I'm gonna show you guys one more time how to do it because I did put it in the video. All right, you got to go to the Google Play Store exactly like this and then type exactly what I typed in. Also, I will put it in the description box and I will put it in the comment section and follow my blog site, follow their website. They got all the details. I got all the details. Chat GPT gave me all the details. Anyway, this is how you find the application 100% for free for anybody that has an eSIM phone and it's unlocked. It could be an old 2020 phone. It still work because this phone is from 2020, my Galaxy S20. All right, so you go to the Google Play Store, open that up. You want to hit the search bar. You want to go to the top of the search bar. You want to type in exactly what I typed in. Kite. Excuse me. Kite mobile. Free data app. Exactly like that. Hit search. And boom, once again, it might be the second one. I'm already got it installed, but that's what it's going to look like. It's going to be this blue icon with some white, look like a kite, half of a kite. And then it got the little blue bars like, you know, your network, like your data. And all you have to do, install it and do the step-by-step instructions. Okay. I'm going to give this app a 5 stars. It worked fine for me, so I'm giving it a 5 stars. This on my other account anyway. I'm gonna give it 5 stars on my other account. All right. I'm giving a 5-star ratings all across the board. And look at that. It allows you to post on it from the Google Play Store. Check. I think, well, you know what though? I think text now allow you to do that too. But we're gonna do a side-by-side comparisons. All right. There you go. That's how you do it. Y'all leave me y'all thoughts in the comment section below. Kite mobile, baby.